Hello, it's Ashlyn369 and I'm going to be showing you all my little Pet Shop dogs. If you're wondering how many there are, here's the answer, 64. I have 64 dogs exactly. And here is show them in groups. So there we go. Some more. There's more. And then I know these aren't organized, but that's because they're only dogs that I have one of. And then these are all doubles. Yay! Oh, ferrets are not included. Okay, so that is all my little Pet Shop dogs. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below if you would like to see more all of different animals. And subscribe and like. Thank you.